You don't have to spend no time. Like, you don't have to get.
Good morning, y'all. Welcome back to another vlog. It's your girl Cam. I am, well, actually, first of all, it's Monday morning. It's 7:46 in the morning. I'm headed to my braid appointment, as you can tell. My hair is blow dried slightly because I went to sleep, so it's a little puffy now, but so this will work. Headed to my braid appointment for 8 o'clock. I am so tired. I was up all night, like on the phone with my friend and stuff, but I'm going to get this done. I actually did not put no moisturizer on. I can feel it on my face. So yeah, I'm getting like some bohemian, like the boho knotless braids, and I got a different color this time. I got color 30, which I actually think is gonna blend with my hair better than the color that I normally get, which was 350. 30 is a little bit browner, like it's a little bit more brown than I wanted, but I needed something closer to like a copper ginger color, closer to this color, so I got 30, because the 350 is closer to like the back of my hair, which is more red, and I didn't really want red, so, and honestly it's still too red for the back, I think. So I don't know, but I'm about to be coloring my hair again soon. I'm probably gonna go this color all over, so I figured let me just see how this color would look. That's the thing about having colored hair, like you have to worry about braiding hair, like what color to get. I wish I could just get black braids, like that would be so cute. Or like even like doing like weave and stuff, I have to try to figure out the color situation. But yeah, yo, headed to the appointment. Got my green tea here. I'm gonna sip on this and meditate my life because I'm tired and I don't really feel like doing anything right now. But yeah, morning.
Like, you don't have to spend no time. Like, you don't have to give your all. Like, you don't have to do it right. Like, you don't have to oh now.
DJ Frisco 954. Yeah.
Oh now.
This is how we're looking so far.
There was a bomb.
The color
Are we in the green zone?
is literally perfect, so I'm happy that I chose this color. This is perfect. This will be my new color.
20 weeks.
Hey y'all, so I just finished getting my hair braided. Here's how it looks. I got like some goddess knotless braids. They're really cute. I think I'm gonna go home and just cut them just a little bit because they're kind of long for me, because I'm really short, so it just was really long. But with the curls I should be able to cut it really good to where it doesn't, you know, look too choppy or anything. So I'm gonna do that when I get home. And yeah, but they look good. Really like them. Took a while. It took about maybe like 8 hours, if I'm being honest. I think these are like medium, but yeah. So now I'm tired. I want to go home and lay down, but I'm gonna cut it real quick and then we'll be finished. Finish cutting it. I don't know. I had to cut the ends a good bit because I just didn't want it super long. But I think it's so cute. The color is perfect. I got a 30 this time, which is like the perfect color. I don't know why I never thought to get a 30, but this is gonna be my next color. I mean, my new color. It's like a perfect. It's perfect if you have like coppers or like a you know, like a light red color. It blends perfectly without looking like super bright. So that'll be my new color, but I really like it. I'm gonna send y'all, I'm gonna show y'all for real when I pick all this hair off the ground and clean up. But yeah, I just want to come by and show y'all real quick. Hey y'all, let me turn this hair down. It's later on Monday. It's still Monday. Duh. But I'm headed to grab me something to eat. I really need to be cooking something, and I need to stop doing this. I've been eating out way too much, but I have no like groceries or anything to cook, so I'm about to go grab me something to eat. I don't know what I'm gonna. I might just get a Cobb salad at Chick-fil-A because I don't need nothing more than a salad. But I just really wanted to get out of the house because I feel like I just was in the salon all day, and then I didn't really feel like laying down or anything. So, where's my friend? Hello.
Even though I don't want
This music is terrible.
emotions, I'm hoping not the type to try and double back twice, but you had me running right back. Rushing here real fast just to take it slower.
Hey y'all, happy Tuesday. Let me adjust this. I just left work. It is 2:19 and I came to the park. I got me a smoothie and I came to the park to eat my salad. One of my friends meeting me over here. We're gonna just chill for a little bit, but today was the start of Prime Day on Amazon. Y'all, when I tell you so many things I want, but I really don't need anything, so I'm trying to stay off of there because I know if I go in there, it's over with. But there's so many things. Tell me down below if y'all got anything for Prime Day. I'm just so curious because I really shouldn't, but I want so many things. Also, this is so random, but I miss like Destin and like Destin, Florida, and like Panama City Beach area, like 38. I really want to take a trip over there, but I just don't know when I would go. But I would really love to do that this summer. We shall see. Another random thing. Trader Joe's Caesar salads, top notch. Top notch, okay? I'm not crazy about the ones with chicken. I don't really like not processed chicken, but like I don't know, I guess it's processed. I don't like that like chicken packaged. I don't like that. So I don't get the one with chicken, but just the regular Caesar. And it comes like your croutons, your dressing, your cheese. So good. So I'll eat that for lunch pretty often. Alright, y'all, so I'm about to eat this and probably like look at my iPad and play on there, watch something. And I'll catch y'all in a little bit. Hope y'all are having a good Tuesday. I am. It's very gloomy again here in New Orleans. I don't know what's going on. I need to shake this up. But yeah, very, very gloomy. And rainy. So those are the vibes here. Oh, I feel dizzy. Yeah. There we go. Nice and mixed. Alright, y'all. I'm about to dig in. Alright. Okay, I'll call you tonight. I'm about to go to a meeting. I'll call you later. I'm about to go to a meeting. Alright. So, y'all, my new AirPods came in. And trying to get them open. I didn't grade it this time. This is like the oldest pair they have. These are actually my favorites. I've tried to get the new ones. I just really don't like them. And this is them in grade. How cute. How cute. This can't be. So I'm about to hook them up. Let's see. One thing I love about Apple is just how easy everything is. Like, everything's just so simple. And just like that. Hey y'all, so I'm back and I got another package from ASOS. Right here. I love ASOS. I love their packaging. But I want to show you what I got. I just felt like I just didn't have any. I just feel like I don't have no clothes. Like I just wear the same thing. They're always like, everything I get is always like really casual. I don't know. So I just felt like I needed like some actual stuff. I also made an order at H&M, which, let me pull this up some, which just shipped today. So I should get that in a few days. But first things first, I got this denim skirt that I thought was so cute. And it has like a little split. I don't know if y'all can see. But I thought that was cute. Either to wear like with some heels or with tennis shoes or something. Let's see how it looks. Let's see what it's giving. I don't feel like trying stuff on really, so I'm just gonna like show y'all on the side of the screen, like right here, what they look like. And then I got, look at these. Oh, this was really cute. This was like a romper. I'll probably wear this weekend. And it has like the back open. I thought that was cute. It's like this linen, like this green linen material. That would be really cute with like some sandals. And then I got some linen shorts. Just like a simple linen short. So yeah, just some cute like summertime staples. Hey y'all. So yeah, I'm on a treadmill right now. I ate a Chick-fil-A sandwich a little while ago, so I'm feeling very guilty. So I said, let me do the treadmill for a little while before I get tired. So yeah, I'm on here watching Greenleaf. And yeah. Good morning, y'all. We're back in the car for another morning. No, but I just left the house and stopped at CVS because they have a UPS drop-off point. And I had some stuff to send back to ASOS. So I just dropped it off down the street at CVS. And I have about an hour and 15 minutes until my client, my first client. And so I want to go like get some coffee somewhere. But I want to try a new spot. So I think I'm going to try some, I'm going to go on Metairie Road, which is like, if you're from New Orleans, you know where Metairie Road is. But it's a cute little area. And I normally do like Magazine Street a lot, but I want to try Metairie Road and see what they have. And it's not too far from my salon either, so we're gonna do that. Hopefully I can find a cute little coffee shop somewhere. And yeah, it's another gloomy day. And I really wanted to get some content, take some pictures, but I just, it's always like, I don't know, it's just too much, okay? We'll do it one day.
Hey son, Chief out of flight to see me on way out of here. It don't even matter what time it is. Whenever I find time, it's okay. This girl, I got you. She understand I can't take her everywhere. It ain't what we doing. Traveling around the world.
Let me give you some game. How you gonna maintain?
You know my number, call me. I'm like, what do you need?
Even though I don't wanna show emotions, I'm open. Not the type to try and double back twice, but you had me running right back. Rushing here real fast just to take it slower.
So y'all, I just decided to come to CC's because I didn't really see anything over here like worth going, like getting out the car. So I just came to CC's. Where is my wallet? I have so much stuff in my bag. Oh my god. Well, I just got a vanilla latte and a croissant, a spinach croissant. Hi. Okay. But yeah.
Stuff and not work, so I'm making.
Have a great one.
Thank you. And the croissant? Okay. Did y'all hear her? Let me taste this because this ain't looking how I like it. It's a little brown.
Now you have
Thank you. Have a good one. Okay. So I got my croissant. And I have my coffee. I just got like a tall. And I'm gonna just park right here and chill for a little bit. And then go to the salon. And get to work. Where can I park? Let's go right here. I'm not trying to hit your Lamborghini, sir. I don't want no smoke. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna just park right here and chill. I'm watching YouTube videos and stuff, so I'll catch y'all in a little bit.
No, but that don't make you happy. Just tell me to let go. Cause right now, all you got is bills on your mind. It's fuel on the spark, so we wanna fight. And I'm not in your heart, but you're still in mine. Cause uptown girls know how to play, and uptown girls got no shame. So don't hit me back, it's not on time. I know you want your bully, so I'm back on mine. All this fuss and fighting while we wasting time. Why won't you take my love? Beautiful mind, you got it. I'm the one you deny, I get it. Every time I try, beautiful smile, you got it. But every once in a while I get those beautiful lies. Don't break my heart, tell me beautiful lies. Oh no, I believe when you said you love me that way.
Even though I don't wanna show emotions, I'm hoping not the type to try and double back twice, but you had me running right back. Rushing here real fast just to take it slower.
Hey y'all, so I'm in the grocery store getting some stuff to cook for dinner. My phone is going off. Also getting some wine. I've been really liking this Chardonnay. It is by Chateau Souverain. However you say it, but it's really good. It's like $10 too. So I'm doing like a grilled chicken with like cream spinach for dinner. I'm just getting stuff for that right now. But yeah.
Baby, all I gotta say, nobody get their way faster. Claiming that you're here to stay, we'll see how it plays after. Boy, you say you're done with games and more.
They be acting like they've never seen a camera in their life. What in the world? I'm so slow in the grocery store, but I'm really trying to be quicker. Because I can take so long.
But you gotta understand this wasn't in my plans. You're trying to get deeper now. Feelings is deeper now. Taking trips, had to get away, baby. Post and pics, all in our business. Ain't no distraction.
I'm back home and I'm about to start cooking. I thought I would show y'all everything that I got. This shirt is like doing weird things. Okay, so first I got 6 chicken breasts so that I can have like some leftovers, and then just in case anybody else wants some. And then I got another onion because we were out of onions. I got a whole garlic. This one's kind of small, but this is it. I should have got a bigger one. Whole garlic because I want to roast some garlic. I got some frozen spinach. I'm letting that thaw out right now. And then I got some Parmesan cheese, some heavy whipping cream, and cream cheese. So first things first. This isn't a tutorial or anything or like a recipe, but I just figured we could like really cook together today. So first things first. So dark. I have my whole garlic, and I'm gonna just cut like the top off. Cut it over here because I don't want to slice my thing. Okay. I just peel like all of this paper off. I don't like that. Be on there. I love the way garlic smells. It smells so good. Okay, so this is how it looks. And I just pour some olive oil over top to get it nice and juicy. And then I normally just sprinkle a little bit of salt. This is sea salt. So like, just sprinkle a little bit of that on top. Just get a little flavor in there. And put a little bit more oil. I need to refill this more. There we go. And I'm gonna fold this up nice and tight. gonna just sit it in this pan just in case it like leaks or anything. I'm gonna put this in the oven. I gotta go y'all up now. I'm gonna put this in the oven for I have it on 395. Could have put it on 400, huh? On 395, I'm doing it for like 40 minutes just so it gets nice and roasted and I can squeeze it out. It's one of my favorite things. So I'm gonna do that. And while the oven is preheating, I'm gonna go ahead and pound my chicken because I want it to be nice and juicy. I'm cooking my chicken a little differently this time. So yeah, I was looking for my pounder for my meat. I think that's what you call it. But I can't find it for some reason. So I'm about to just use my hand. Use my fist and just kind of tenderize the meat some. This is working pretty good. I see it working. Oh. Right now I'm watching some YouTube videos. That's what I do while I cook. I really enjoy cooking. Like, it's one of my favorite things to do, especially when I'm alone. If I'm by myself, I will cook and take my time and watch me like a show or watch some YouTube. Right now I'm watching Parker McKenna, her vlogs. I really like her, like self-care stuff. So I'm watching her self-care motivation vlog. Just a vibe. So watching that. And then I'm gonna season this meat and let it sit for a little while, kind of marinate. And yeah, then we'll be on our way. So I'm about to do the spinach. I have my spinach thawed and like drained and everything. First, I have like this Kerrygold Irish butter. It's already softened.
could be yours, but they'll never know. They can't think whatever they like, but I want you to know.
Why you do me like Joanna? Joanna. Why you do me like Joanna? Joanna. How you gonna do me like Joanna? Joanna. Hey, Joanna. Hey, Joanna. Joanna. Ay, ay, ay. Hey, how you gonna play me like Drogba, ho? How you gonna do me like Drogba, ho? Oh, DJ Drogba, ho. Hey, DJ Drogba, ho. Joanna, your busy body, busy tonight. Mad. Joanna, making on the dummy tonight. Joanna, your busy body, giving me life, oh. Hey, life, hey. How you do me like Joanna?
So I am done cooking. I'm about to eat right now, so let's give it a taste test. Let us see what it's working with. It looks so good and it smells amazing. So I'm gonna get some chicken and a little spinach. It's so juicy. Wow. And the roasted garlic hit the spot. Okay. All right, John. I gotta go. Let's do that. Good morning, y'all. It is Thursday, and I'm off today. So we're gonna have a little day. Okay, we're gonna have a day together. I'm about to do some skincare because I feel like I need some really good skincare this morning. I don't know why. So I am getting that cracking. Starting off with my You to the People cleanser, the green tea spinach cleanser. One of my favorites. So gentle, but it really gets the job done. Leaves my face feeling amazing. And I also love that it foams. I feel like when it's foaming, it's different. It's different, okay?
Can't nobody do it like you. Said every little thing you do. Hey baby, 'cause it stays on my mind. And girl, I'm officially, all I do is lay round. 2 years full of tears from looking at your face on the wall. Just a week ago you were my baby. Now I don't even know you at all. Don't know you at all. Baby girl, I wish that you would call me right now. Right now. Just so I can get through to you somehow. Well, I guess it's safe to say, baby, safe to say that girl, I'm officially missing you, yeah. Ooh, can't nobody do it like you. Said every little thing you do on my mind. Yes, it stays on my mind at night. Said, baby, I'm officially missing you.
Alright, y'all, so here's the outfit of the day. I just have this bodysuit from, I hate these lines in this bodysuit, from Zara, with my sweatshorts from H&M, my Gucci bag, and of course my Yeezys. So yeah, oh, I almost forgot. I need to pack this order. I have an order to send out today, so I guess we can do that together. Let's pack this whole textured order. So I do have a textured hairline, and I've been kind of slacking with like promoting and everything like that, talking about it, but I do still have my line, so I have an order that needs to go out today. I try to ship out like as soon as possible, next day if I can, so I'm about to do that. Where's my 16-inch kinky curly? Okay, so I just stick this through.
And I don't understand why they all keep bugging. I walk in the room, nobody ain't saying nothing. They always calling when they see you out coming. Yeah, bitch, I'm your girl,
Let's stick it back into the plastic bag.
yo, the camera truck. Now you wanna be lying to my face now. What you? Besides, she was out with my sister, and they both told me you was trying to keep it with friends. How many of us have them?
Can I have this tissue paper?
When they start backstabbing, never mind, they go on the dash. Can you please give it up for Savage?
It's all about the vibe, y'all. It's all about the vibe. And I have some stickers. Get my sticker. Look what it says. It says, "You're so gonna love this." Thank you. You're so gonna love this. You are. This is like a little care card. It says, "So take." I did all of my marketing and stuff for myself. All of my branding. I think I did a really good job. I just need to get back on it. And I think this is my push. Now that I'm talking to y'all. So y'all, look who I have with me. Hey. I got Sam with me. We're at Starbucks. And we're gonna grab us a drink. Sam, what are you getting?
A strawberry frap.
Strawberry frap, no strawberry drizzle, right?
No strawberry.
No strawberry drizzle. I'm gonna get iced chai latte. Then we're going, like I showed y'all, I'm gonna drop this package off. And yeah, then later we'll probably go get some lunch or something and hang out. Cause I'm off, Sim's on break. So might as well, right?
Yep.
Might as well.
I need to get as much fun as possible.
Right. Cause when do you go back to school?
The first day of August.
Oh, ciao.
And
That
I'm
is right
not
around the
happy about
corner.
it. And I'm not happy about it.
That is, how many days away is that? Like 15? Like, oh my goodness.
Please don't remind me.
Please don't remind me. Okay, let's get our drink. You ain't nothing but. What size do you like?
I think it's a tall.
Okay.
That's like the small drink, right?
Yeah, you want a small?
Like.
Or you want
I want like the medium.
a medium?
Yeah.
Thank you for visiting Starbucks. My name is Logan. What can we get started for you today?
Hi, can we get a grande strawberry frappuccino
Alright.
with no strawberry drizzle?
Sorry, no strawberry what?
Drizzle? Does it come with like a drizzle on top?
Yeah, strawberry puree.
You want that?
It actually comes on the bottom of the cup.
We're at Home Goods.
Joanna, Joanna, do me like Joanna, Joanna. How you gonna do me like Joanna, Joanna, hey Joanna, Joanna, ay ay ay. Hey, how you gonna play me like Drogba? How you gonna do me like Drogba? Oh, DJ Drogba.
I need like one that I can put wet stuff. That's the thing. I'm looking for a hamper that I can put my wet towels and stuff in.
So we just have to go to the store?
That's what I wanted to do. Where is it? Yeah, they don't have it. All they have is.
So they didn't have the hampers first off. And now they don't have
now
the
they don't have to do the mousse. Okay, y'all. So I wanted to get some of the Do's mousse, but they don't have any. So we're gonna have to try a different Target later. Hey y'all, so I'm back home and I'm just chilling right now before I do anything else, but I wanted to talk to y'all about the vlog series. So I need y'all, I want to come up with a name for the vlogs, my weekly vlogs. I asked on Instagram and a few people gave me some suggestions. I know one of them was Cam's Corner. Another one was Cam's Cam, like Cam or something like that. And then another one was, what was the last one? There were a few actually. I'm just trying to think of the ones I remember. I know it was like cooking Cam or something like that. But I think he was thinking I did like cooking videos and I don't. So give me a few suggestions. I thought Cam's Cam was cute, or like I was thinking like through Cam's Cam or something like that. Maybe like Cam's Corner is cute too. I don't know. I want to hear y'all's suggestions. What should we call the weekly vlogs? I don't know. I thought keeping up with Cam would be cute, but I feel like that's like really cliche. Like everybody uses that. I don't know. Something different. Something different. It doesn't have to be like be Cam or anything in it. But yeah, let me know if y'all have any suggestions down below, because I'm really interested in coming up with a name. So yeah, let me know in the comments what y'all think, and we're gonna choose hopefully by the next vlog. So hey y'all, so I'm making us some lunch right now, and decided I was trying to figure out what we could eat. Turn this off. I was watching Greenleaf, but I was trying to decide what we could eat. I was gonna take her to get some pizza, but neither one of us really want to go anywhere, so I'm gonna just cook something. I have one more piece of chicken left over. Everybody tore it up last night, so I only have one piece of chicken. I'm trying to figure out something I can make without going to the store. I have this stuff to make like a flatbread. I got some stuff. Oh, I didn't get the sauce. I could do some chicken and do like a little pasta. So I do have some cream left over. We can do that. That's easy. And I'll just cut up that last piece of chicken and just make like a chicken pasta. Okay, y'all, so I boiled some water. I'm gonna go ahead and take my my ginger shot that I got from Trader Joe's. Trying to really make sure I'm getting my nutrients in. This is a ginger shot. It has coconut water, ginger, lemon juices, and cayenne pepper. And normally I like ginger shots, if that's not weird, but let's just take it. Oh, that one's strong. Lord, that was different. Okay, let's drink some water. So yeah, I'm getting my nails done a little later today. And I'm trying to decide how I want to get them done. I do have dip right now. These are my real nails. I'm trying to keep them like, you know, I'm gonna do dip again. I think I'm over the acrylic for now. But yeah, I'm trying to stick with the dip for now. So I'm thinking I might get like a tip, like a French tip or something. On them. I love the white. Like the white just looks so clean. Let's see, let me look through my Pinterest. Pinterest is my girl. Y'all should follow me on Pinterest. Like I don't play on here. Let me show y'all my page. Y'all can follow me. I only have 9 followers. And that's literally just my friends. Here's my Pinterest. But yeah, let's look at nails. Should I do something like this but with my dip? I didn't book a design, but she might have time on the last one. We'll see. I'm bad for that. But just on my dip. This is cute too. I don't know if my nails are long enough for that yet. For that design, but that's really cute. Some bow tie. I'm so proud of us, yo. We're cooking at home this week. I told myself I was not eating out. I'm not gonna lie, I have gotten Chick-fil-A, but I'm not doing like the whole sit down restaurant thing until the weekend, because I can spend some money on food, okay? So I'm gonna put a little honey more. I mean, at this point, I'm getting so much more comfortable on the camera. Like, we are getting it together, okay? I knew all it was gonna take was consistency, and now that I'm starting to see my channel growing, also I've noticed I have a lot of new subscribers. So hi girl, welcome. Let me tell you guys a little bit about myself. I don't think I've ever really done that on the vlog. So my name is Cameron. Everybody calls me Cam, so you can call me Cam. We're friends now, so we can do that. What else? I live in New Orleans. I'm from New Orleans, born and raised, 504, you know, vibes. So I'm from here. I'm a hairstylist. I do that full time. Also, also on a content creating journey. So I am trying to grow all my platforms, Instagram, YouTube. I'm working on the TikTok. Something about that TikTok, I love watching it, but I'm not like a TikTok girl. So I don't really like, so I'm not really very consistent on there, but I'm trying to grow it. But yeah, I love traveling. Y'all will see that in my vlogs. If you haven't watched my travel vlogs, you have to, because some of my favorite vlogs. And yeah, what else is there? Yeah, love fashion, love beauty, all things cute. I love a vibe, okay? Very much like into aesthetics and stuff like that. But yeah, traveling is one of my favorite things to do. I love cooking. I love eating out. It's just my thing. But yeah, even like living in New Orleans, that's what I like to do. I'm not really like a go out type of girl. So me and my friends on the weekends, we like to try different restaurants. I like having game nights and stuff at the house. So yeah, that's my thing. Why is Alexa talking to me? Alexa, turn off. I hate when she does that. I hate when she listens to me. Yeah, y'all, that's me. If y'all want to like know a little bit more about me, maybe you should follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is cam.page with 3 E's, and my hair page is Cam P Hair on Instagram. So yeah, I'm a natural hairstylist, so I do all types of, why is this sliding? But yeah, I'm a natural hairstylist, so I do all types of natural hair. I do twist outs, I do braid outs. I'm really into like keeping my clients' hair healthy, helping them grow their hair. That's my thing. Love what I do. Absolutely love it. I could not pick a better field. My favorite thing. Other than like content creating. I love content creating. And I actually started my YouTube channel doing what is it called? Hair. Like I started in the salon. Like honestly, I started my YouTube channel before I got into the salon. I was at home just doing my hair, my natural hair, and that's when I started YouTube. And then I went to hair school and kind of fell off my channel, with my channel, and now I'm back trying to be consistent because it's something I really do enjoy. And yeah, I'm excited that my channel is growing. I love seeing my new friends on here because y'all are my friends, okay? And yeah, I love when y'all comment and say like, I'm a new subscriber, I like this video, whatever. Let me know what type of videos y'all like down below so that I can keep, you know, keep those types coming. But yeah. Hey y'all, so I just made it to the nail salon. I just parked and I'm about to go in, show y'all my nails before. So I just did like this white dip. It still looks really good and like really clean and everything. I just need to fill, so I need to decide on the color. I feel like I want to do like a pink, but I'm not sure. So I'm gonna go in and look and see what I'm drawn to. But yeah, let's go do it.
One. All I hear is raindrops falling on the rooftop. Ooh, baby, tell me why you had to go. And this pain I'm feeling won't go away. And today I'm officially missing you. I thought that from this heartache I could escape, but I fronted long enough to know then there ain't no way. And today I'm officially missing you. Ooh.
So yeah, I'm running into Target real quick to try to see if they have the dew here at the other Target. So let's see. This is a cute line, y'all. It's called the Curl Collective. They have a blow dryer and diffuser. Really cute. I really like these clips. I think I'm gonna get these. Hey y'all, so I am with my mom, Kyla and Simmer. We're about to go eat at Monday. Right here on Bienville. So yeah, let's see how it is.
Can't nobody do it like you. Said every little thing you do. Hey baby, cause it stays on my mind. And girl, I'm officially, all I do is lay round. 2 years for the tears from looking at your face all the
y'all, it is Friday afternoon. I just I had a break at work, so I ran I cannot talk. I ran to Target. Oh my gosh, Chick-fil-A. I ran to Chick-fil-A to get myself a Cobb salad, of course, what's new, and I'm about to head to the car wash and wash my car so that it can be clean for the weekend. I have no earrings on. I hate my earrings on. Then I'm gonna go back to work. I have 2 more this evening.
Just so I can get back to you somehow. Well, I guess it's safe to say, baby, safe to say that
Hey y'all, happy Friday. It would be me if I wasn't trying to set y'all up. But yeah, this is an awful angle, but it's gonna have to do. I am getting ready. This is terrible. Oh, child. Y'all be okay. I'm getting ready to go with my cousins again, so y'all get to see them again in this vlog. But yeah, we're going to get some food. I think we're going to go to this place called the Bakery Bar. Hold up, y'all. I can't talk while I do my
I'm officially missing you, yeah. Ooh, can't nobody do it like you. Said every little thing you do on my mind. Yes, it stays on my mind at night. Said, baby, I'm officially missing you. Oh no. Said I'm officially missing you. Yeah, you'll stay on my mind. And I'm done. I love you. Let's go.
What up, Scott?
Hey y'all, so me and Kylan about to roll out. Did I lock the door? I'm tripping. She ran inside to get some mascara because both of us are out. But honestly, makeup doesn't look horrible without mascara. I think I've definitely mastered my 5-minute face. Let me show y'all what it's giving. It's dark, but I feel like I still need to kind of work on my brows, or at least like my quick brow. Can't really see it, but less is just best for me. I'm not like a whole lot of makeup type of girl, so this works. The nude lip, it's always gonna do the job. Always. And NYX butter glosses. This is the Fudge Me one, but they're amazing. Ooh, found it. No, I have this one. I had it in here. What kind was it? My NARS one. You've been looking for that.
No, I literally had it. Like, I saw it today. I really think it's somewhere over there. You just can't see it. But it makes him fuller and longer than it.
I could be yours, but they'll never know. They can't think whatever they like, but I want you to know.
Why you do me like Joanna? Joanna. Why you do me like Joanna? Joanna. How you gonna do me like Joanna? Joanna. Hey, Joanna. like Drogba, ho, Drogba, ho? How you gonna do me like Drogba, ho, Drogba, ho? Oh, DJ Drogba, ho, Drogba, ho. Hey, DJ Drogba, ho, Drogba, ho. Joanna, you're busy, body busy tonight. Joanna, begging on the dummy tonight. Joanna, you're busy, body giving me life, oh, hey, life, hey.
Hey y'all, so we are headed back home from Alabama. It was nice. I hope y'all enjoyed the vlog. If you did, make sure you give the video a thumbs up. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see y'all next week.